Hello everybody, my name is Ritz and let's talk about a unit test framework that I'm developing inside Revit. Yeah, if I run these tests, my framework gonna open Revit 2014 that is configured in here, and gonna try to run all these tests inside Revit, and basically gonna try to test if my extension is working in Revit 2014. Yeah, because of the long and int stuff. So we're gonna open my Revit right away. Yeah, it's trying to open, and when my Revit is ready to work, we're gonna try to run all these tests and gonna show if the test pass or not. I'm actually try to open a document and do other stuff in here, but yeah, is running these tests, everything is passing, and this one probably gonna wait a little bit because it's gonna open a document and gonna close when if pass or not. Yeah, basically everything pass, pretty easy. I could try to run the same test in Revit 23. Yeah, should work as well. Let's run this and let's check it out if everything works or not. Yeah, it's gonna work. But yeah, I'm gonna open my new Revit 23. Yeah, and let's wait and see what happened. Is opening. Yep, is opening my Revit like here, and gonna run all the same tests in there because my library in here, yeah, is opening. Don't want to see that here. Yeah, and because I'm testing, where is it? I'm testing my library is changing to version 23 in here. I'm gonna test this as well, and it should pass like should be. Yeah, when my Revit is ready, gonna run that. Yeah, it's running everything, very cool. And yeah, and everything should pass because yeah, I already tested that. And yeah, pretty cool, right? And if I go in my, where is it? If I go in here and go in my extension, and should appear 8 tests pass. Yeah, pretty cool, right? I can check what happened or not. And the bug works as well. Very cool, right? Yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.